David Craig, man. Your attorney is in this room. Pick him out. Good guess. All right.
Okay, hold it for a second.
Yeah.
Mr. Gertz is here along with his client, Mr. Scarpetta, Judge. I want to go back to that. Yes. Come up here. The state is ready on this case, Judge.
You can't make this stuff up.
You
can't make this stuff up.
I know that.
Let me ask you. You're Joseph Kibita? You're set for trial today.
Today?
Yeah, you're set for a trial today, sir. Don't act like you're bewildered. Yeah, you've got a theft case. It's almost 1,000 days old. Yeah. Well, and you come to court in a T-shirt. That's the best you've got to impress everyone about how important these proceedings are. Okay, what are you wearing it for then? To humiliate the court? What is it that you're wearing? Would you wear that to church? Why not? Why wouldn't you wear it to church? You got the cross out. That's which generally, unless you're using them as jewelry, that's kind of worn next to your heart, not on the outside. But that's I guess your idea of. But what are you wearing a T-shirt for here in court? My goodness. I mean, it's a felony court. You can go to prison, a prison facility. A prison facility. It's a felony. Really, I sound like I'm scolding you like I'm your mother or something. But I mean, aren't you? Are you an adult? You are an adult. How old are you? 25. You don't look like you appreciate the proceedings here and the importance of it. Yeah, I wouldn't. Why didn't you come in with a swimsuit? I mean, that would have been the next logical thing to wear. Good Lord. Everybody, look at everybody. Everybody's serious. That's right. These are important things. Most importantly, it's for you. I'm railing, and I have to say it. It probably doesn't do any good, but it just has to be said because there's just seems to be a lack of appreciation of the importance and the respect in certain functions nowadays. And you're Exhibit A. I hate to say, but really, nobody. Look at everybody. Look at everybody. You see anybody dressed like you're on the way to a clam dig?
Well, Zelensky dressed obviously in T-shirts.
I'm not even talking to you. Can I see your driver's license? See, that's what you don't even have a driver's license. Oh my gosh.
Saying no respect. But we're ready if you want to send it to drug court. Keep it here.
Ronald Tyler.
Yes, I have.
I'm tired. Railing on. It's just howling at the moon. The moon will come back up tomorrow. Coyotes.
Better option, let me know. I don't know. I think you get them riled up before we get on court. That's what happens, ain't it?
I apologize, Your Honor.
This one wasn't his fault.
Ain't nothing you can do about it. I think you may have some issues, but we'll see what life management says. Next case is Robert Gasty. Mr. Gasty, come on up. Mr. Gasty, good morning, sir. Mr. Gasty, you're here for first appearance charged with the offense of DUI and possession of drug paraphernalia. Mr. Gasty, there is probable cause for these charges. I need to ask you a few questions, Mr. Gasty. Are you employed or are you retired, sir?
I'm retired, sir.
And what line of work are you retired from?
Fire rescue. 30 years.
And where do you live on South Road? Is that right?
That's correct.
Do you live by yourself or with someone?
Well, I wish I lived by myself. I live with my wife.
Okay. Mr. Gasdy, the only thing on your there's some stuff in your history that's old stuff. Nothing in the last at least 20 years. I'm going to appoint the public defender's officer to represent you, Mr. Gasty, and I'm going to ask that you listen to Mr. McDaniel, and then we're going to see what the prosecutor's position is. Mr. McDaniel?
Judge, we're just gonna ask for a conditional release. I want Mr. Gaston to get out and maybe, get some more information from you.
Ms. Brimmer, what's the state's position?
Your Honor, the state requests a reasonable bond in light of his history. I would object to a conditional release on this charge. But we also request that there be no possession or consumption of alcohol or any illegal substance without a prescription.
Let me look at the history again. I've got 1976, simple assault, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. 1992 DUI. I think that's the most recent thing I saw. Should be 30 years ago. Yeah, over 30 years ago. Ms. Brimmer, anything else you can tell me that may, wait, make sure there's nothing else here. Well, 2009, ag assault with a deadly weapon. That was here. It's a little more recently. Mr. Gasty, was that 2009 case dismissed?
Pardon me?
The 2009
I've
case
been
you had in
feeling
Jackson County, was it dismissed?
I believe so. It just was dropped. I didn't pay hardly anything. I don't know for positive. Okay.
Mr. McDaniel, I'm looking at
I
that
do.
2009 case.
I did all my requirements and did my probation and it was over. So,
It wasn't dismissed. You were on probation?
I don't think he knows one way or the other, Your Honor.
Right.
9 years I've been on probation.
Could have been conditional release. I don't know.
Did you say nine years, Mr. Gatz? Is that what you said?
Yeah, whatever it
I'm
was.
concerned that he understands what's going on, Mr. McDaniel. Have you had any indication that he may not fully understand everything?
As soon as I had a moment conversation with him right here, when I muted it, I realized he was saying some stuff that did not make sense.
Okay.
I'm going to set you a bond, Mr. Gasty, of $2,500 cash or surety. That's the standard DUI bond. I'm going to also ask life management doing evaluations since you're going to be out there anyway. Mr. Gasty, you have the right to post a bond, sir. Your bond has a condition you not possess any alcohol nor any substance that you don't have a prescription for. So you'll get easy phone in a few minutes to try to post the bond. Mr. Gasty.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Right. Oh, yes, there's two charges, so it's actually $2,500 on each. Mr. Gasty, the other thing we're going to do is give you a notice for your court date, which will be when, Dawn? February the 5th at 9 a.m., Mr. Gasty, but you do have the right to use the phone to try to post the bond, sir, okay?
Yes, sir.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you.